We could not allow the moment to pass without expressing satisfaction at seeing Elaine Thompson-Herah competing again. The fastest woman alive, 10.54, back-to-back Olympic sprint double champion. After almost 2 years out, she went in the 60 meters dash, finishing third in 7.24. Under the circumstances, the result and the time were not as important as it was to see Elaine getting back to competing again. And of course, that post-race interview, the open expression of gratitude with that broad smile on her face, just at being able to compete again. Out of respect, we all should embrace the return of Elaine Thompson-Herah. She has suffered greatly from injury throughout her checkered career. And while there is no Olympics or World Championship this year, just the desire, the heart, and the effort to fight the odds and get back on track deserves maximum and unequivocal respect.